First, you want to mix your warm water and yeast in a bowl. I like to add a teaspoon of sugar to help activate the yeast, and then you stir that together until combined. Now we're going to combine our remaining ingredients in the bowl of our stand-up mixer, starting with our yeast mixture, which you see has doubled in size. Pour that into your mixing bowl together with the evaporated milk, oil, sugar, egg and vanilla extract, and baking soda and salt. Add 2 cups of your flour, and stir that together until well combined. You're going to want your mixture to look nice and smooth like this. Now transfer the dough over to your stand-up mixer using the dough attachment, and slowly add the remaining flour. And mix that on low speed until a sticky ball forms. We're then going to take our dough and put it into an oiled bowl. Cover it with saran wrap and put it to the side for about 2 hours. You can see now that my dough has doubled in size, and now it's time for my favorite part. Flour your surface generously and roll out your dough until it's about 1/4 inch thick. Now it's time to cut out your Mickey shapes. These cute little guys are now going into the fryer, which I've preheated to about 360 degrees. Let them brown up for a minute on one side and then flip them over to brown the other. Once they're all nice and golden brown, you're going to want to transfer them over to a paper towel to soak up all that extra oil.